क्लास 12th सब्जेक्ट फिजिक्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एंगुलर डिस्पर्शन एंड डिस्पर्सिव ऑफ पावर। इससे पहले मैंने आपको डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट डिस्कस किया है। सिंपली मैंने आपको बताया डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट जो है एक्चुअली ये स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाइट लाइट इनटू इट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट कलर 7 कलर्स is called a dispersion of light. And when a beam of light, white light, is made to fall upon one face of the prism, the emergent beam from the other face of the prism is found to split up into a series of colored bands. The color in orders of their decreasing deviation are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. If a screen is placed on the side of emergent ray, a band of 7 colors is obtained on it. This phenomena of splitting of white light into its constituent colors on passing through the prism is called dispersion of light. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एंगुलर डिस्पर्शन। इट इज डिफाइंड एज डिफरेंस इन द एंगल ऑफ डिविएशन ऑफ टू एक्सट्रीम कलर्स। एक्सट्रीम कलर्स कौन कौन से? रेड और वायलेट। इन दो के दरमियान बाकी 5 कलर्स हैं। रेड और वायलेट के दरमियान जो 5 कलर्स हैं कौन कौन से? इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज। In two extreme colors, difference in the angle of deviation of two extreme colors, that is violet and red colors. Let delta is equal to mean deviation through a prism. Delta V deviation for violet color, delta V deviation for violet color, delta R deviation for red color. Deviation for, we know for a prism, delta mean deviation is equal to mu minus 1 into A. Equation first. For violet color, equation first can be written as delta V is equal to mu V minus 1 into A. Equation second. For red color, equation first can be written as for red color delta R is equal to mu R minus 1 into A. Equation third. Subtract equation third from equation second, we get delta V minus delta R. Delta V mu R, delta V minus delta R, mu V minus 1 into A minus into mu R minus 1 into A. delta V के बदले mu V minus 1 into A minus first equation, second equation mu V minus mu V minus 1 into A. Delta V minus delta R is equal to mu V minus 1 into A minus mu R minus 1 into A. थोड़ा बहुत सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। mu delta V minus delta R is equal to mu V A minus mu R A प्लस ए और ए कैंसिल करेंगे। डेल्टा वी माइनस डेल्टा आर इज इक्वल टू म्यू वी माइनस म्यू आर इंटू ए हम कॉमन निकालेंगे। डेल्टा वी माइनस डेल्टा आर डिफरेंस ऑफ टू एक्सट्रीम कलर्स, इसको हम कहते हैं एंगुलर डिस्पर्शन इज इक्वल टू म्यू वी माइनस म्यू आर इंटू ए। अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिस्पर्सिव पावर। डिस्पर्सिव पावर, it is defined as the ratio of, it is defined as the ratio of angular dispersion to the mean deviation produced by the prism. It is denoted by omega. And a dispersive power omega is equal to angular dispersion divided by mean deviation, equation X. We know that angular dispersion produced by the prism is given by we know that angular dispersion produced by the prism is given by angular dispersion is equal to mu v minus mu r into A equation first. Also mean deviation produced by prism is given by mean deviation delta is equal to mu minus 1 into A, second equation. Put first and second in equation X. We get dispersive power omega is equal to angular dispersion किसके बराबर? mu v minus mu r into A, mu v minus mu r into A divided by mean deviation mu minus 1 into A और A कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और dispersive power omega is equal to mu v minus mu r divided by mu minus 1. ये dispersive power. बस आज इतना ही.